I'm just going to jump right into this recipe, and at the end of this video, I'll tell you where to get your low sodium cheese. Chicken enchiladas are so good. We're going to make them the easy way today. You have to have your green chilies. You can't use this little can. It's got 480 milligrams in it, and I'm going to put twice that much in mine. Check it out of my freezer. There's a video on my channel, Roasted Green Chilies, that will show you how to make your green chilies with no sodium. Subscribe to my channel, and every Friday you'll get a brand new low sodium recipe, and sometimes an extra little tip to help you on your travels. 1 pound of chicken cooked in 3 cups of bottled water because it has no sodium, and I put 3 of these little packages of Herb Ox chicken bouillon, no sodium. Simmered it until chicken was done, shredded it, and then I took a half a cup of the water, put it in a bowl with a 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour, and whisked it until it kind of made a slurry, and I put it back in the water. That's where our sauce is going to go. The chicken can go in there. Chicken goes in the sauce. Put 1 teaspoon of cumin. I sauteed in 1 tablespoon of butter, an onion chopped up, and 3 cloves of minced garlic. Onions are translucent. It's going in the pot. I like making things the easy way, as long as they look good and taste good. In goes my green chilies. I think I've got about a cup, and I hope so because I do like them in there. This will go on my stove. I'm going to simmer it when the sauce gets hot. I'll add 3 ounces of the cheese, and you don't have to grate it because it's going to melt really nice. Stir it until it's melted. Take it off the heat. Add 1 cup of Newton's Hampshire sour cream that has 10 milligrams or 2 tablespoons. Stir that in there, and then I will add a 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro. See you in a couple minutes. The cheese is melted. Take it off the stove. Add the 1 cup of sour cream. We'll add our cilantro. You can do a taste test and see if you got enough green chilies in here. It wouldn't do me any good because I used all of them that I had. My oven is preheating to 400 degrees. I have a 9 by 13 inch pan, sprayed with nonstick. Here's where the easy stuff comes. 4 white corn tortillas. Whip them up. And just kind of scatter them at the bottom of the pan. I'm not sure that most people would really call these enchiladas, but to me they are. About 1/3 of our sauce goes on the top. Another 4 tortillas. More sauce, 4 tortillas, the rest of the sauce. Then we're going to bake it until it gets nice and bubbly. And we'll just see what it looks like. 20 minutes, and our sauce was bubbling, and our enchiladas are done. The whole pan has got 499 milligrams of sodium. 6 servings is going to be 83.17. If we use store-bought cheddar, we would have 937 in the whole pan. And if we do 6 servings, each one will be 156.17. That's not bad either. Enjoy your enchiladas. Now we can talk about where to get your low sodium cheese. I've included a link in the description of this video that takes you to the distributor and makes it easy for you to order. In their search bar, type unsalted cheese and you can see what it looks like. You can order it there. But if you have any questions or if you need more information, Monday through Friday from 8:30 until 4 o'clock Central Standard Time, you can call 877-383-0051. They will be able to answer your questions. If you think about it and you order, please tell them the Sodium Attacker sent you. They put a newsletter out once a month to all their customers. Ooh, and I'd like to be in that. I'd like to be able to find 1 or 2 people who really need help lowering their sodium. There are a few things that are important for you to know. There is a $75 minimum order, but it freezes so well. Don't let that stop you from having good cheddar cheese. They arrive ready to freeze in a great 10.5-ounce package. Just drop them in your freezer. When you thaw them out, the quality is not diminished. They ship any place in the continental United States and also into Canada. I am an affiliate of the distributor. I would never endorse a product that I have not thoroughly checked, and this one has definitely been thoroughly checked. Very high quality. Our family loves this cheese, and I'm certain that yours will too.